Hi everyone, if you camp in your Tesla like I do, I have a really cool product to show you, and this isn't just a Tesla accessory. This will work with just about any car, and it is this. This is the Wheels and Feels camping kitchen, and I'm excited to show it to you. We already know that the Tesla is a really good hotel on wheels when it comes to sleeping and climate control, but what it really could use is a little extra in the way of giving you a kitchen. And that's what this particular product from Wheels and Feels does. It gives you basically a portable kitchen in your car. So the best way to show you what this thing can do is let's just get this thing set up. We're going to start by removing this bottom cover and pulling out a few supports, which we'll use here in a second. And then we have this large drawer, which is locked, that we can unlock and pull out. Looks a little unremarkable, but what is really exciting is what's going on the inside. Inside, we have storage to store everything we need to have a portable kitchen, and there's a lot going on here, so let's just dig into it. Now what you want to do is you want to first pull out the drawer and pull out the folding table wings. Now it's worth noting that the bottom of this camping kitchen does come with some Velcro straps that would allow it to secure itself to the carpet section of your car, but because I have a rubber floor mat, I didn't use that, but I probably should in retrospect. Next, take the leg supports and secure them to the bottom of each table. They are a telescoping type of leg, so you can adjust them to just about any terrain that you have. Go ahead and secure all three sections of the table. Right now that we have the tables set up in this unique position, we have a lot of surfaces to work with, whether it be for prepping food, cooking food, or even eating the food. We now have this center section that we can deal with. We have this section that comes out, more to this in a second, and we can now access all of the things that we have stored. They come with a number of cool little accessories that can pop in here, so I can go ahead and put my paper towels up here, can remove my spices and condiments, get access to my plates, other type of food that I'll be eating, cups, spatula here. And once you have everything out, you can go ahead and put this back together. Now, this also comes with this really cool arrangement here, and I'll get to this part in a second. But let's just say you need a cutting board. This fits in this nice little secure tray, and you have a cutting board available to you. But it does more than just cut. It is also a sink, and I'd like to demonstrate that for you. In the bottom, we have a drain that we can pull out here. This also pulls out for your drain. And what's really cool, it also comes with this rechargeable pump. Connect the plastic tube to one end of the pump, hook that up, and hook the other end of the plastic tube to a jug of water. From there, you have a working sink. Now the basic table is all set up, and now is the time for you to put it to use. Set up your table, set up your food, and get camping and get eating. You're all done, you're ready to go. Now breaking down the camping kitchen is equally straightforward. Simply just disassemble the sink and start putting everything back the way that you had it. Next, fold up the tables, remove the supports, and slide the table in and close the drawer. From there, all you need to do is just secure and stow all of the supports, and you are good to go. Now the next question for a Tesla owner is, where do you store this thing when you're sleeping in your car? Well, does it fit in the frunk? Have to admit, it does not fit in the frunk. It needs to be smaller. Does it fit in the lower trunk? Let's take a look. As you can see, it doesn't fit in the rear trunk either. So where am I going to store this thing? Well, the only place that I figured out that you could store this while you're sleeping, if you have a full bed in the back, is up in the passenger seat. And that's about where you need to put it. Now, if you are a solo sleeper and you only use half, there's definitely space to have this back here with you the entire time. Overall, I am impressed with this camping kitchen from Wheels and Feels. It really does quite a lot in a relatively small package. You've got the sink, we've got the cutting board, we have all the storage, we have the wing tables. It really gives you literally everything you need to have a portable kitchen in your car. Now, if you think this is something that's right for you, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can swing over to their website and pick up one of your own. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd appreciate you hitting that like button. And if you're new to the channel, subscriptions are always welcome. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.